Facebook is now trending with lots of photos like this, and I am telling you how to make them. Before guys, just like and subscribe to my channel. First, you have to install Google Gemini application from Google Play Store, and its name is Google Gemini. You can see the create image option, so click on it, and then plus option, click on it to upload your photo. Select upload files, and then upload your photo you want to edit. You have to select your image. After selecting your photo, please paste the prompt. The prompt is given in the description, so copy it, or in the end of the video I give all Facebook trending prompts for all images. So now to create enter. Your image is generating frames. Just wait for 10 to 20 seconds, and then Google Gemini generate your photo, Facebook trending photos. Wait 10 to 20 seconds. Generating image. Now your photo is ready, friends. Just click on the arrow and download. Just press and you will see the arrow download your image. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Facebook and Instagram is trending from these images, so you can create all these images. Prompt is given in the end of the video. Please prompts.